Here's an awesome rainbow controller from PlayStation. You can see the color, how it's blue and purple tint. The pictures don't do it justice, so I had to make a video to show you. It's going to be your standard PlayStation controller. You'll be able to sync it up with the wire, or you could do it through the Bluetooth settings where you don't even have to connect it on the PlayStation. It's going to react just like all the other PlayStation 5 controllers, as that's what it is. It's just got a really nice color that looks purple one way and looks blue the other. Really cool shine to it. Definitely do recommend it if you're going to get another controller. You know, change up the colors from time to time. Definitely brings the game system back to life because you're not playing with the same controller over and over again. Definitely recommend them.